Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. The brand Focallure sent me some makeup. So in today's video we are going to trying out products that they sent. So first they sent this Tokyo palette right here. The colors in this Tokyo palette are so pretty and colors that you can use every day, and I will be doing swatches of all of these palettes and the lipsticks that they sent. They also sent over this Crystal Impressionism palette. Now this is a 16 pan eyeshadow palette, and look at that, you guys. These colors are so pretty. This is a great fall palette, and guess what? We're in fall. And we have the Sunrise Impressionism 16 pan eyeshadow palette right here. Look at those colors. They are so pretty, pretty, pretty. They also sent their Sculpt and Glow palette, which has a highlighter and a bronzer in it. So freaking pretty, okay. Their Starlight Diamond Glow highlighter. Look at that. Look at how she is sparkling. The packaging on this bad boy is so pretty. I love it. They sent over 4 of their clay pillowy soft liquid lipsticks, and these colors are so vibrant, you guys. They're matte without making your lips dry. I have been wearing my lipstick right now for hours and it still looks great. So I guess we're gonna do the Tokyo palette first. us the swatches of everything. I really love the eyeshadow palettes. I think they are super pigmented. They are so pretty, you guys. Very buildable. They're very versatile. You can do a lot of different styles with them. The quality is there. A link for everything will be in the description box. Be sure to check them out. Also, a coupon code for you guys will also be in the description box, so be sure to check out that. If you guys want to see this eyeshadow look, please stay tuned, keep watching, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I'm probably going to use something out of all of these, but first I need to do my crease. This color from the Crystal palette, I'm going to use that color right here on my crease. The colors are very buildable, so you can really pack that color on there to just intensify that color more and more. Alright guys, I like that color so much, I am going to drag that color down to my lower lash line as well. Now, I think I'm going to take this Chocolate Martini from the Sunrise palette, this color right here, and I'm going to pop that into my outer corner just to give that some more depth. So now I'm going to take from the Tokyo palette, I'm going to take this Fat Fiji color. And I have been eyeballing this Sashimi color since I got the palette, so I am going to use that color. And I'm going to take some more of that Fiji right there, and then I'm just going to blend these together where they meet. Alright, and I think I'm going to take from the Sunrise palette, I'm going to take that Chocolate Martini, put that right there again, just to make sure that color is really vibrant and make sure that it is there and not going nowhere. So from the Sunrise palette, we're going to take the color right here, Give Me Mocha, and I'm just going to put that right here. this color right here, Limitless, at the bottom. I'm gonna use this as a highlight. So now I'm going to use Starlight Highlight. Pop that in the corner of my tear ducts. So now I'm going to take, I think I'm going to take this color, 104. And so for the blush, I think I'm gonna use a eyeshadow Punch pink color right here, just to give my cheeks a little color. I think I'm gonna put some of that on my nose too. For a highlight on my face, I'm gonna take this same Starlight above my cheeks. And I think I'm good.